i2O produce solutions for the global water industry.
In real-world situations, we're making sure that people across the planet are having a consistent water supply.
That involves gathering data from their networks, running advanced analytics on that to deliver actionable insight.
And we're here to find smart ways of managing water networks.
There was a major city last year that was very close to running out of a stable water supply.
Due to lack of rainfall for a number of years, the reservoir levels had become drastically low.
If they have to discontinue the water supply, they will have to decide which parts of the city no longer have water. That's a difficult political decision.
They turned to us to provide some pressure management systems so they could deliver a much lower pressure and reduce the demand that was being put on their infrastructure.
But at that time we were flat out working on an order for another customer who'd ordered 200 systems, a much bigger order, and we just couldn't supply the customer who needed the product the most. So we went back to our major customer and said, look, these guys are desperate. If we don't supply to them, their city is going to run out of water.
We were able to discuss with that client whether we could shift the resource and deliver theirs a little later, which fortunately they were happy to do to support this city. We delivered that, they reduced the pressure by up to 75% and then managed to avoid the taps running dry.
Since we've implemented QAD in the cloud and QAD User Experience, the data is much more accessible.
You can look at the dashboards and you can look at the data that you need. You can get reports out that you require.
But I can sit at home at night with my mobile phone, I can access QAD on there through the app. I can go and see inventory in my own location, and I can see it in the overseas locations as well.
It's enabled user adoption, it's enabled to train staff a lot quicker, and it's improved our order processing times by 40%.
It's really smart.
I'm most proud that we're helping to ensure that life is sustained on this planet through delivering clean, safe drinking water.
You know, maybe not today, maybe not next year, but in the future, it's going to mean the difference between survival or not.
We are i2O.
And with QAD,
We're building agile,
Effective enterprise.